Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller, Unit 1, the 8086 microprocessor. In previous sessions, we are studied architecture of 8086 microprocessor and pin configurations of 8086 processor and various types of addressing mode and instruction set. Now, today we are going to discuss about the topic assembler directivities and assembly language programs. Here, the assembler directives. The assembler directives is one of the writing the assembly language program into the 8086 processor to pre-fetched instructions or pre-fetched coded into the assigned to the programmer. So, what kind of pre-fetched coding? We see the first one, convert an assembly language program into the equivalent code modules. Second one, executable statement in high level language programs. Third one, logical errors and other errors are found out by the assembler. So the assembler using the some predefined alphabetical string. So the following strings are used to assign the programming structure using the data segment and coded segment part. So what type of alphabetical string? So number one, define byte, that is to define the byte values. So here I am using the 8086 microprocessor, is a 2 byte data. So to declare the byte of data in the memory location of 8086 and same as define the word data in our location and define quad word, that is a set of quad words in our processor and define 10 bytes and finally end program procedures, that is a end of procedure in our assembly language program and finally even, that is a align on even memory addresses using the prefetched instructions and global global global. So here the following set of predefined fetched instruction to directive to the assembler to reduce the logical error and syntax errors. So the assembler to writing the program of assembly language program to using the predefined alphabetical instruction in our 8086 microprocessor. So these kind of set of instructions and operations is called assembler directives. Now the next slide we are going to discuss the assembly language programming of 8086 microprocessor. The set of program is a set of instruction arranged in the specific sequence to perform the specific task. So there are two types of statement in our assembler language. Number one, instruction. Number two, directives. We see the 8086 assembly language program structure. We need write the program in two part. First part is a data segment. In this segment, they initialize the data variables and the code segment. We use the different addressing and instruction set to execute the data segment variables. First, the data segment variables, I am using the data 1 and data 2, that is a data 1 db, that is a defined byte 03 and data 2 bd 02. So these two data will be an addition or subtraction, addition and subtraction in the same set of program. So the data initialize the data 1 value and the data 2 value and the output of sum and the output of different subtraction values and the data end. So I initialize the data in the programming of 8086 microprocessor, and the code segment we assume the code segment and the data segment. Now start the data through move to the AX register, and the AX register again move to the data segment register. The same similarly the same set of data to data to move to the BL register. Again the BL register is adding to the accumulator section and move to the copy of same accumulator. So the operation is the AL output is summed to move the same accumulator register. So the data 1 is stored in the accumulator and the data stored in the B register. Now the conditions are satisfied, the execution of BL, that is subtraction value to store the accumulator section, or some value or store the accumulator section, and the difference value is moved to the accumulator section. And the using the int 03, how many times the execution will be repeated. Here I am writing the assembly language program. For this program there are 3 repeated execution locations are there. So I am writing int 03 and finally end, ENDS, end, that is a end program of simple module. So this is a assembly language programming format, assembly language programming in 8086 microprocessor. Thank you for watching this video.